Greetings, humans. Titus here. So here we are at the RC Bush Pilots Airfield. It's a 100-meter long runway. It's a little bit wavy, as you can see, but today I'm going to try flying the F-35. I've got a roll rate gyro in there, so it'll, do its little twitchy thing and go straight. And before we get started, I'd like to ask you to give me a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It really helps me out in the algorithm, and I'm trying to grow and make more videos for you. So sit back, relax, and watch me give this jet an attempt. Fucking channel 8. Okay, let's get this thing recording. Okay. And my dual rates, which are this switch. So I'll start it off on low rates. And then, oh, it's windy. So what we got going on here is just the one camera in the nose, and that gets transmitted through the video transmitter to my goggles. The goggles receive the signal, and aside from displaying it to me, I can record it using an SD card that I insert there. As you may notice, I have the battery really far back, and that's because I added a lot of nose weight with all this stuff. So before I start going to add extra weight and expense of cameras to the thing, I want to make sure it flew first. So bear with me here. This video is kind of 90s television style. should buff out. Well, I learned some things. Cool. It's too windy. It is too windy.